Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a Hyderbadi royal breakfast. It's going to be Kichdi Keema and tomato ki chutney. But tomato ki chutney I already made it, so I'm going to give the link up there so you can watch that. I'm going to be showing you today Kichdi and Keema. Okay, let's go make Kichdi and Keema. Keema is ground meat and Kichdi is made with rice and lentils, red lentils. Okay, let's go see what all the ingredients we needed to make these two dishes. Okay, let's go. Okay, to make keema we need 1 pound of beef or maybe mutton, ground meat, either one, and I have 1.5 medium sized onions, and I have some salt to taste, green pepper, I have 2 green chilies, and 1 spoon of red pepper, half a spoon of turmeric, and garam masala half a spoon, and garlic and ginger paste 1.5 spoon, and I have coriander powder 1.5 spoon. Okay, let's go cook ground beef first before we start making khichdi. Okay, let's go start cooking this. Okay, our pan is hot. I'll put a couple of spoons of oil in there, and we're gonna fry some onions first. Okay, you're not going to make it very brown. We're going to fry until it gets a little bit softer. Then we're going to put the spices and the meat in there. Okay? Okay, our onions is soft. Change the color like this. Not very brown. And then we're going to add all the spices in there. Turmeric. Pepper, dhania powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. We are going to fry for 2 minutes. Then we are going to add this garlic and ginger paste. Add our meat. It well. Add a little bit of water. Do not add too much water. It's going to be mushy, then all the onions will get mushy. And so we're going to add a little bit of water and let it cook until the meat is cooked. That's enough. We're going to cover it. Cook until the water evaporates. Okay, we're gonna cover this and cook until the meat gets cooked and the water gets evaporated. Okay, and let's go see what we needed for the khichdi while the keema is cooking. Okay, let's go. Okay, for the khichdi I have some garlic ginger paste and some whole spices, 1 little piece of cinnamon, 3 pieces of clove, and 2 cardamoms, and some salt to taste, and some garam masala, allspice, and some onions, not too much, maybe a little bit of onions. And then I soak some rice. There's 2 cups of rice and half a cup of masoor dal, red lentils. So it's 2 cups of rice and half a cup of masoor dal. Let's go make this while the keema is cooking in another stove. Okay. To make khichdi, you're gonna put a little bit of oil, cooking oil, and then you're gonna put a little bit of clarified butter. Not much, just a little bit. And then you're gonna put all whole spices in there. Fry for a few minutes. Until they release the flavor. Okay, now we will add onions in there. We will fry onions until it gets golden brown. Okay, our onions are almost brown. Look at that. So now we're gonna add garlic ginger paste. And garam masala powder. And then we're going to add some turmeric. Add a little bit of water so don't burn masalas and it gets cooked on the garlic and ginger. Right, let's go for it. Okay, the measurement for the water, for the rice, for the khichdi, if you have 1 cup of rice, you use 1.5 cup of water. So if you have 2 cups of rice, you're gonna put 3 cups of water. Okay, so that's gonna be the measurement. So now I'm going to add water. You measure, when you are doing it, please measure it, because if you're doing for first time, I know the measurement. I don't have to measure it, I just pour it like that. I know how much I need it. I'll just pour some water. That's going to be enough for my rice. And then I'm going to add my salt to taste. Cover and let it boil, and let's go see what's going on with the ground pea. So it's right cooking right there, so we're gonna go check it. Okay. It's cooked. Just we have to wait the water to evaporate. So I'll just leave it open container so the water will be evaporate sooner. All that is, the water is evaporating, and we are gonna wait for this khichdi water to boil. Okay, okay. Our khichdi rice is water is boiling, so we will put this rice. Oops. I just drained all the water from the rice. Just add this rice to this water. Okay, then we're gonna mix it. Yeah, that's perfect. And you're gonna let it cook until the water evaporates and the rice gets cooked. Okay. Okay, our keema is ready. All the water is evaporated. So we're gonna put in the serving dish. Okay, we're going to remove this one in serving dish. This is done, so we're going to close this. And then we're going to go to rice. I think this is also almost done. Okay, I use this old cast iron pan under the pots so the food don't burn. So I'm going to keep this, put it on a little bit high flame until that gets warm. And then I'm going to keep it on the low flame until the rice is cooked. Okay. Okay, looks like our khichdi is also ready. So let's see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. See, it's done. Rice is cooked. Rice is done. So it's cooked. Okay, let me remove it in the dish. I'm gonna show you. Okay friends, our khichdi and keema are ready to eat. If you like my recipes, please click like and share with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye. Have a good day. Have a good night.